Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today is September 1st, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be September 2nd, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. Excuse the voice, just a little bit under the weather. But again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, still within this range, we did have resistance right around these 45.34.75s and up above 45.41.75. You can see the market try to jump up into that area, and then from there has been trying to work its way back down to support, bouncing off the support right now, 45.16.75. That's going to be the area that we look for a continuation or long move from this area. A little bit of an underneath level, 45.11.25, and below that 45.02.25 as the next supports underneath. But again, not too hard for S&P 500. We are going to have this tight range. I don't know exactly how long, but again, you are going to buy low and sell high. If you try to play in the middle, just make sure you understand the micro levels. If you don't, definitely recommended you use the major levels versus the micros. But let's move over into a smaller chart here for you guys, so you can see nice support happening here right off our main level that we have right here, 45.16.75. Nice bounce. I'm looking for the market maybe either to pull back down, give us another test, and then if we fail to break through, get a shot back up. So we'll see if we get that opportunity. But right now, nice bullish bar that printed right there that could give us a move higher from here. So we'll see what actually happens here on S&P 500. But again, look for the resistance to come in right around these 28s first, that mid area, and then above 34.75, and then 45.41.75 as the next level up for resistance. Let's move over into gold for you guys. So moving over to gold, you can see still in a little bit of a tight range as well. Resistance coming in for us, 1819.5, and then above that 1820.9. That's going to be our level of resistance. Nice bit of a double top we got coming in this area. Want to see if the market actually pulls down deeper. We didn't necessarily get all the way to our support, but we did have a little bit of a closer support lining up right there at these 1811.4s, and then from there shot right back up. So we're going to have that area 1811.4, 1809.1 as the areas of support, and then below that 1803.9. Now again, resistance 1819.5 and then 1820.9. Above that 1826.2. We are in a range on this one as well, so you are going to look to sell high and buy low. That way you get the best opportunities. If you play in the middle, again, make sure you understand the micro levels. If not, just stay away from that. Let's move over into a smaller chart here on gold for you guys. That way you guys can see what's going on here on the smaller chart. So moving a bit closer for you guys here on gold. We didn't get all the way up there. I did like this nice bar right there that pulled the price back down. We'll see if we actually get a drop back down into support right around these 1811.4s, kind of right in the middle. Again, if you don't understand these micro levels, best for you to stay away and just wait for the main ones. But again, resistance 1819.5, so wait for the market to either come up to one of these two areas here, 20 or 19, and then if it rejects, you can look for the short support 1811.4, and then below that 1809.1. Below 1809, 1803.9 is the next level of support down below. If the market fails to break any of those levels, that's going to be a good opportunity for longs. Again, buy low, sell high here on gold as well. Let's move over into crude oil for you guys. So bringing up the charts on crude oil is bouncing off support 67.86. Want to see if we get a shot right back up from this area. And then resistance for me comes in 69.37. There may be a slightly closer area of resistance, which is going to come somewhere right around this area of 68.52. So keep an eye out for that. If the market fails to just break through and hold it, you could be looking for a short right back down into support here. But we'll see. We did get down to those 67.11s, and then below that 66.89 is the next level of support down below. But we did have a nice double bottom move for a push right back up to the upside there. So we'll see what happens here on crude oil during the London session, but those are going to be our levels. And again, higher resistance 69.37 as resistance. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. If you're struggling to find consistency here in trading, make sure you become a member with us, take some coaching programs, maybe a coaching session with us. We would love to help you find consistency and success in your trading. Other than that, guys, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care.